I first saw you, I closed my eyes and a flashback starts. I'm standing there in the balcony of summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gown. See you near the drain to the crowd and say hello. Little do I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles and my daddy said stay away from Juliet, and I was crying on the surface, letting you please don't go. Well, I say, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All you gotta do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby. Just say yes. To see you, hindi ko memorize. Memorize ito siya. Romeo, you were standing and then said stay away from Juliet, and I was everything to me. I was begging you, please don't go. But I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All you gotta do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby. Just say yes. Romeo, take me home with me. This love is typical, but it's a real. Don't be afraid to live. It's a love story, baby. Just say yes. Memorizing ko na dapat to, malapit na. Wondering if you would ever call me around. My friend and you is faded, but I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, Romeo, take me. I'll be waiting, but you never come. Please, in my head, I don't know what to think. Head to the ground and pull out the ring and said, marry me, Juliet. You never have to be alone. I love you. That's all I really know. And all to you that you'll become a wife. It's a love story, baby. Just say yes. Milligrams. Saw you.